Hey guys, thanks for checking out my page. I am Dale Hickman, the president of Dale's Wood Construction. Been doing this actually since 1979. I've owned my company since 1990. So y'all check it out, like, subscribe, share, and leave a comment if you like. Thank you. Hey guys, here's our next project. We just moved to in Gulf Breeze, right behind the old Taco Bell up there. We got a stair system, boardwalk. It's been in here. It's kind of corroded away. I think it was the old MCQ era of lumber. The lumber is just deteriorating, getting real mushy. All the hardware's breaking down. So tearing all that out, going to come back with a new boardwalk, new set of stairs, and then I think a 200-foot dock out here also with boat lifts. Here's an idea of what we're dealing with. Going to take all this apart. We got the barge on the way now from Perdido Key. They're pushing it here, probably about 4 hours. We'll load some materials up over at Wayside Park, get it put on a barge, so we got to carry it in the backyard and get everything loaded. Everybody, this is coming out. We're leaving the 6x6s, at least the ones that are good. The other things we're dealing with here, these poles have just disintegrated and rotted out from the inside out. You didn't see it with a handrail on it, but as soon as we took the handrail off, that's what we ran into, and also cut the handrail top cap off and ran into some of these extender poles. Must have got the pole cut too short, so they put that block on top of it to get it up to the right elevation. Here's another way they did it over here. It was all hidden behind the handrail, so you didn't see it. Hey, we made some good progress on this job. We're doing the demo on it right now. Got the handrails down, working on the decking now. Found out a lot of the 6x6s that they use on here are rotted too, and a lot of them ain't in the ground very deep. So we're replacing a lot of those as well. Well, we came in last Friday, and of course it's winter low tides, and that's about as far as we can get in. So we're working on transferring some of our material from the steel barge over to the wood barge right now to try to help us float a little bit better, but I don't know what good it's going to do out here really. This is just a little shallow area. It's a little cove here in Gulf Breeze. It collects all the sand right before it gets to the 3 Mile Bridge over there and just kind of piles up here. Just a very shallow area, so I'm afraid a lot of these pilings out here are probably going to be getting set by hand, which ain't fun. Old school way, my dad used to make me do it, but we can do it. Here's a lot of material we've already removed from the job. The decking, you see it's pretty shot. Got to band it up so we can get it loaded neatly onto the barge and hauled away. Some of it is good. Whatever is good, we're going to reclaim, take it over to Kelly's reclaimed dockwood, or Kelly's RDW. If y'all are interested in some used lumber, it's a good place to look. You can find her on Facebook. Well, after taking this thing apart, getting the decking and framing off of it, checking those poles, like I said, are rotten. A lot of them are rotten, but most of them are only about 18 to 2 foot in the ground. So talk to the customers about it. There is no sense in building a real good structure on top of it when everything else could come out during the next storm. So they opted to replace it all, so that's what we're working on now. Good boys. Pretty good production over here. Got all the 6x6s installed. Jetted them all in, 6 to 7 foot in the ground at least. Some of them a little bit more. Starting with the stringers on the outside. Got a couple little flat level landings in here. We're working all the way out to the main dock out there to another 10 by 10 platform. And then get started on the 160-foot dock out into the water.
Cut doesn't really matter on this one.
All right, thanks, sir.
Let's do it.
Get home time.
Just give them call outs, Daryl.
Right there. There you go.
Chief and Gatlin on the barge today going for a ride. Chief loves that. You like that wind, Chief? Going right 3 Mile Bridge. Gonna head to the boat ramp, load up some more pilings. Close fit. Guys, we moved out to the water now. We're setting poles in the water. Got about 30-40 foot set out. Get some piling wrap cut for the boat lift poles. We're gonna go ahead and get them set out here because we got a good bit of wind blowing, so we're going to try to get them set in line and get the string straightened up so we maintain our 48 inches all the way out to the end. Guys are getting a piling wrap cut up over there to get them on the poles and get the 30-foot poles, 9-inch tip 30-foot poles set in place. Woo!
We're good my way.
Poles good?
Oh yeah, that's straight.
Guys, another cold day out here in Florida. Our last little cold snap before Easter. We got all these poles set. Guys are in the water today, freezing their tail off. Got a few more to set. Got all this here behind me decked already and framed up. It's a good long one. Got all the poles set now. Now it's a matter of getting this handrail finished up with top cap on and do some framing out there. It's quite a bit of poles. We got 2 lift poles set up out there, so we're going to take the barge over to the boat ramp, get everything loaded up, and bring it back to the job site. Guys, we about got this job wrapped up. Got a little bit more to do, and the barge is headed over here right now to pick up the lifts. You can see it by the bridge. Gonna pick the lifts up at the boat ramp, then we're gonna haul them to the job site, drop them off, let the guys finish up. Then we're headed to Avalon. We got another seawall repair job to do over there. Barge is pulling up. Yeah, that's my brother-in-law work, man.
I know.
Don't be judging my brother-in-law. I'm sure engineer designed it all.
Well, I just miter the cross tie.
They don't. We do that. Nobody else does. That's our signature.
Oh, well, clock it.
Clock it. That's right. Gatlin,
Watch out,
Chief,
guys.
what you guys doing?
Watch out. Back.
Come on. They did a good job. I think it looks good. Hey guys, here's a completed project here. Got this one knocked out, looking beautiful. Big long walkway over the beach area here from the elevated cliff all the way out here to the job site. Wear deck decking, decking handrails. Looks really good. Looks like Chief and Gatlin approve. They're probably gonna run down there and jump in the water. It is hot out today. You guys going swimming? Huh? Yep, right to the water. Almost. Nice little landing down here. Changed over to snap deck here. Set of stairs down either side. Did that for people walking up down the beach. They can get over the dock, back down the other side without having to crawl up underneath of it. Nice piling caps on there. Got some lighted piling caps here also. Solar. I knew you'd get in, Gatlin. You gonna go swimming? Come on, let's go. Let's go swimming. Come on. Osprey's not so happy we're walking out here. Project turned out looking really good. Hey guys, I sure do appreciate you checking out my videos. Give me a subscribe and a like if you don't mind, and give me a share. Appreciate all the good comments I'm getting on it, and we've got plenty more coming up right after this. I've got several more I need to get put together in video format and get them posted, and I'll work on that and get them done for you. Thanks. Oh, your breath. You guys have nasty breath. What, Chief? Stay back there. Here's a project we're doing for Dale's Marine. Hey, that's my company. Chopping up these wear deck 20-foot boards and the 5-foot decking boards. Right here, it gets chopped up here. This gets chopped up, thrown over here on the pallet, brought out to the job site. Good, accurate. Uber. Got me an Uber. Uber driver. Chief Gatling, you shook off all over me. Come on, Chief. I don't think you jump up for a Gatling can.